Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm bringing you a video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy Z Fold4 is now here at Straight Talk for $1799.99. That's available in black. So if you guys like big phones and you guys like foldable phones, this is the phone for you. This is a very nice looking phone that has great features and great specs. So yeah, you guys can get this phone now for $75 a month for 24 months, which is fucking insane, or $1799.99 for retail price. So yeah, this is the phone right here. You guys got your cover screen here, front facing camera right there. It's kinda hard to see there. That's what the phone closed. With the phone open, you guys got a bigger screen there. Your front facing camera is somewhere over here. It's kinda hard to see here. So if you guys like big screens and whatnot, this is the phone for you. Very nice looking phone. And of course you got the front and back of the Galaxy Z Fold4. Y'all guys got the cover screen here, and then the hinge right here with the Samsung logo on the back is the triple camera system, camera flash and whatnot. Alright. So it says here, unfold your world, next level productivity. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, the smartphone made for modern productivity and entertainment. Free up your hands with flex mode on Galaxy Z Fold4. It stands on its own, so you can take notes during a conference call or follow along with instructional videos in real time. With this 2-in-1 phone and tablet, you can communicate hands-free using the 6.2-inch cover display, and then unfold to the large 7.6-inch main display when it's time to work. Multitask with 3 windows at once, and edit documents with the S Pen sold separately. When it's time for a break, enjoy your favorite shows and games with super smooth graphics, uninterrupted by a near invisible under-display camera. Galaxy Z Fold4 features an enhanced 50-megapixel main camera with 30 times space zoom for pro quality photos, whether you are up close or far away. So there is the phone with their front open and front and back there. Very nice looking phone, great features, great specs and whatnot. Specs, it has 5G of course. It has 4G LTE, it has NFC, Wi-Fi, and stuff like that. CDMA, because it uses Verizon towers, obviously. The digital dimensions there. Display has a 7.6-inch main display. That's the when the phone is open. You guys will have a 7.6-inch display, dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity Flex display, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The cover display is 6.2 inches, dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O display, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. So you will get 120Hz refresh rate on both screens, which is very nice. Cameras on the back is 50-megapixel main, which is a wide angle camera, 12-megapixel ultra wide, 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, 30 times space zoom. The front facing camera on the cover display in the inner front facing camera is 10 megapixels. Selfie. Okay. Alright, what the hell? It says front and inner camera 10 megapixels, and then the selfie camera 12 megapixels under display camera. So the front facing camera on the outside of the phone where the cover screen is 10 megapixels. The front facing camera on the main display when the phone is open is 4 megapixels because the camera is under the display. So yeah, 27 hours of battery there, Bluetooth, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, GPS, hearing aids there, 37 hours of talk time. I think it said 27 hours for battery, but it's 37 hours for battery. Memory 128. 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte of storage options. I think Straight Talk might offer all those storage options. I'm not really sure about that. And the Galaxy Z Fold4 weighs 263 grams. What comes in the box is your Galaxy Z Fold4. Type C to Type C cable, quick start guide, and you guys will have to provide your own charger if you guys don't have one. Features: free up your hands with flex mode, take hands-free selfies and watch videos on a phone that holds its own. Pocket-sized phone, tablet-sized experience. See content in full detail on your Galaxy Z Fold4 and maximize your viewing experience on an immersive display. More screen, more doing. Prioritize doing more with Galaxy Z Fold4. A massive screen lets you tackle different tasks like watching a video and taking notes all at the same time. Strong, sleek, and sturdy. Strong, sleek, sturdy. Take on your day with our most reliable folding screen technology. So yeah, there you guys have it, Galaxy Z Fold4, now available at Straight Talk for $75 a month for 24 months, or $17.99 for retail price. So that is the base model. That's the 256GB version. Not sure if Straight Talk offers all three storage options. They might, not really sure. But if you guys want a big phone, if you guys like folding phones and you guys want a big screen, this is the phone for you. This is the ultimate folding phone here. Very nice looking phone, has great features, great specs, and this phone is a powerhouse. So check it on out. $1,800 for retail price though, so keep that in mind. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a whole lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.